everyone, I am Nidhi and today I am going to make Gajar Ka Halwa. At this time winter are going on, so it's different pleasure to eat Gajar Ka Halwa, so I thought why not try it. But before that, you don't forget to like and subscribe my video. So do it fast. So shall we start Gajar Ka Halwa? Here I have taken 2 kg carrot and put it in the cooker. I will add 1 cup of milk to it. If you have less than 2 kg of carrot, then half cup of milk. Now I have taken half a kilo of sugar. If you like sugar, if you like sweeter, then you can add little more, but what I have taken is in an equal amount. Now I will put in it. Now I will cover it well. I have used cooker that can be made in a less time because it takes a lot of time to bake it in a pan. That's why I'm doing it. And wait for 2 or 3 whistles. Other thing, after melting carrot, there is a lot of water left in. So I will dry it my pan till all the water comes out of it, and I will fry off it again and again fry. After that I will put a raw khoya in it. I will not fry it separately. When carrot or khoya are fried together, it tastes and smells great. I will melt it also, and I will keep stirring it well until khoya turns completely brown. I will stop stirring it only after it brown, because if the khoya remains uncooked, it will not be able to cook properly. When the khoya turned brown, when I stopped, and yeah, you can see it turned brown. Now you look at a brownie. So now I will add cardamom powder to it. I had taken 4 or 5 cardamom for this. I am putting it after making powder. Now I'm stirring it. And now I will add a cashew to it and save some to garnish. And again fry it. And then I will add pistachios and almond to it. And fry it well. And now it's about to ready. Now I will add a ghee which smells very nice. So it is said that icing on the cake, then who would do the same thing? So it's ready. And now I will take it out in a bowl and garnish it.